Okay, so you're interested. How can we start working towards college credit with our middle or high school student? So for those of you who have been to college, maybe not all of you have, in most four-year degrees at public and private universities, every degree is a certain number of credits, okay? So for a bachelor's degree, you're looking for a minimum of probably 120 credits towards getting your degree. Now, of those 120 credits, usually between 40 and 60 of those credits make up what is called the liberal arts core. And these are credits that are not specifically tied to the degree that your child is pursuing or that you as an adult are pursuing, but they are what are called general education credits. So these would be credits in areas like general science, math, literature, economics, etc. So these are credits that don't need to be geared towards a specific degree, but help to make your child, your young adult, more prepared just to be a well-rounded, functioning member of society. So with those credits, there is a little bit of room in what types of classes your child might want to take to fulfill those credits. So if you go into any 2-year or 4-year college, you're going to need probably 3 credits of math, 3 credits of literature, maybe 6 credits of college writing, 3 credits in a sociology or a philosophy or a psychology, and so on. So this is where we have started to earn college credits. We have started with these general liberal arts classes that we all took in high school. You had to take American history and world history in high school. And then you also have to take them in college for college credit. So our philosophy is that we would study each subject once in depth at a college level in high school, and then go about obtaining the college credits for that studying. So our education system is set up that we usually do a survey of many of these topics in middle school. Then in high school, we go back and do it a little bit deeper. Then they graduate high school. And then when they begin college, they take all these basic classes again, but at a deeper level. So what we've decided to do is just reduce the doubling of re-exposure to this class and just do it the first time really well. So that's how we got started with studying and preparing. Now, what we use is called CLEP. It's a college level exam that you can take through the College Board. Now, the College Board is the body that takes care of AP, SAT testing. I don't understand everything about the College Board, but I know that that's where you get started. And so just a quick Google search of CLEP testing and the College Board would lead you right to their website, where you can see all the different exams that they offer for college level testing, for CLEP testing, and how many credits they recommend that your child be awarded for those CLEP tests. So where I would start as a homeschooler with my middle to high school student is just laying out your academic plan. What are the graduation requirements in your state for high school? Now, in Minnesota, where we live, you have to have American government. You have to have U.S. history. You have to have American history. Sorry, U.S. and American history are the same thing. You have to have world history. So start with those. If you have a child that's about to take American history for high school, then plan to take it at an advanced college level and study well, and then go ahead and take that exam. The U.S. history early exam is worth 3 college credits. So it's a great place to start if you have a child who is interested in history. Maybe you've done a lot of reading about history. Maybe you are a history fan yourself, so it's something that you talk about. You can look through that list of CLEP exams and choose the ones that you feel are the most interesting to your student, that they are the strongest in, and choose a test and then go from there.